Identify some similarities between the reaction in the video and your reaction. Well, some similarities I noticed is that they also use the battery just like we did, and they use different types of metals.
Oh, to add on to that, they did everything underwater, which is something that we did. Their process was a little different, but I feel as if like the whole message and the whole idea of the experiment was the same as ours.
Also, they're changed a different color.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, we had like a blue kind of color, they have purple.
Mm-hmm.
Question 2. Identify some differences between their reaction in the video and your reaction. The difference was like the colors that changed, and also I think that was mainly it. Ours changed a different color, maybe because of the products that we use in our experiment.
Yeah, I feel like also the differences were like they used like different and advanced materials than we did.
In the video, you can see like a lot of bubbling, stuff like that, and here you really don't get the same exact effects. What could you measure about this reaction? How would you do it? Well, what I would measure is probably the weight of the coin. So testing it to see what would happen before and after the effects turn onto it, and probably just seeing how much it weighs after. Yeah.
I feel like you could also measure the time and how fast it reacted to in the water. Right. You could also like in the video, of course, it had a very drastic change in the time because it changed completely in a matter of seconds. But in our experiment, I think you could check how much time it reacted because it reacted really slow since we didn't have that many tools.
The worst part of the battery, that's why. Like the battery wasn't as powerful as the one they're using.
More electricity.
Yeah.
Oh, number 5 is what was the role of ions during the reaction? The role of the ions were it left the copper and deposited onto the coin, which creates the color changing. I don't know if you guys want to add anything to that.
Number 7, how could this reaction be useful in everyday life? Well, I think it shows that science and art are kind of connected together, because although they're trying to be scientific about it, they see how vibrant the colors and everything there, where's everything, and that's how the unit was, to show us that like they're connected and they're together. And so I feel like this helps people show that science, I guess, could be fun sometimes.
To add on to that, I think it also like to use it on a day life. I think if you were to use this on cheap stuff, so basically cheap metals or like anything that's like that looks old, maybe you could make a brand new thing out of it, which also helps out.
Yeah. I would like to decorate my keys to look like
That would be pretty.
Yeah.
Number 8, what questions do you have about the reaction? I just want to know how it reacted so fast. And, like, what about the metals and what is in the water that made it change color so fast? That's what I want to know exactly. Does anyone else have a question?
Yeah. I just want to know like why theirs is faster than ours. Like, does it have to do with the electricity, or does it have to do with what they use, or like what's in their water? Because their water is clear, ours is blue. So.
I wonder why electricity is such a big factor in this experiment.
I want to know, like.
Hey guys, I know that discussions can be quite difficult sometimes, but we have some tips to help you out.
Sometimes you should use your own interpretation of what you get out of the experiment, so just use what you understand about it.
Go back into your notebook and look into your notes, as they will be essential for the conversation.
If you don't know how to answer your question, just ask the people at your table. I'm sure they can help you out.
Think about some of the reactions that you did before, and it will help you get some ideas inside your head.
We hope you use these.
Let's go.
All right, cut.
Don't
Actually,
stop,
we
don't
can
stop.
do it in segments. It's fine.
Cut it, and use
cut
this
it,
last
cut
part.
it.
Use the last part.
We hope you use these tips in your discussion. Thanks for watching our video.
Good luck.